I had a lot of people ask me about the brushes I was using yesterday in my video when I was using the other palette. Love this Morphe Sparkling Sands palette. Look at those shades. And these are Ray Morris brushes, and I have had them for years, and they've got magnets on the bottom, and I've got this little tray. Let me show you. It's not the tray that she sells. You can get a tray that she has put them all here, and it's just a really easy way to kind of keep them cleanish when they are clean, and keep them all corralled in the same space. But they're really soft. They're really blendable. They are a little bit more expensive. If you're looking for a good budget brush that's not, because these are all real hair, so they're very luxe. A bit more affordable is Basics by B brushes. I think they're about $60 for a pack of 10. So I've got them somewhere as well, and I can travel with those when I go out. But I've had these brushes for years, and they do serve me very well. So I'll put links to both of them so you can check them out.